Alright, y'all, today we're going to talk about formatting data for numbers. So here we got a scenario where let's just pretend I did a console.readline and I took someone, made them write out their money, okay? So they can input, let's say they input $5. This is what this N is here for. And then I can print out back at them how many dollars they have. So as you can see right here, it's a simple concatenation using this plus sign. You guys probably already know that. So really what this does is takes this string and it concatenates it with the dollar amount. But we can make this even better. So there is another way to do it that uses some placeholders. So we can use these curly brackets and we can put 0 in here just as a placeholder, okay? And then comma, and then you can put the variable. So I put dollars right here. This might look a bit wacky, but really what this does is it takes this variable, assigns it to the 0, right? Because 0 is the first thing to have, and basically it prints money and then the dollars right here. So we're gonna put that right here. Money 5. So what this is doing is it's not really concatenating. It's putting this variable directly into this as a parameter, which is pretty cool. And there is also pretty cool things you can do with this. So you can put multiple in. So let's say I have, I don't know, string name. Let's say I also take their name, okay? Then I can put this in as a parameter as well. Let me put it first, okay? Bear with me. So I'll put name here. Now what this means is I need 2 of them. So this name will be the zero term now, okay? So if I print this out, it'll say money and then the name, which doesn't make sense, but that's just how it works. I'll give you an example. Yeah, right here. See, it says money Nick. So that's just how it works. If it's a 0, then it's going to be this first one. Think of it as like indexing them. So this is like a 0, this is 1, and then so on, so forth, right? And let's say I do 1. What do you think will happen? We'll take the first one, which is going to be this, because name is at the 0 index, dollars is at the first index. So that's what it prints out, the dollar amount. So keeping that in mind, we can put multiple of them and make a nice statement right here. I can put my name first, so I'm going to put 0 as the name. Has this many dollars, which is going to be 1. Okay, print that out, and there you go. Nick has 5. You might be asking yourself, or you may be asking me, how about the dollar sign? And then here, I'll tell you, there's another unique trick that you could do for numbers. And so the dollars, right? Instead of putting the dollar sign in front of it or doing some weird stuff like that, right? Instead of doing that, I could much easily format it using the colon and then C. So C stands for currency, okay? So what this does is it takes the first index, which is the dollars, and then converts it into currency. As you can see right here, look at that. Just really nicely formatted. Put the dollar sign and the period, and the 2 zeros. Really nice for that. Another thing you can do is you can specify the amount of decimal places, right? So let's say I wanted let's say 4 decimal places. So I just need to put 4 there. Let's run it, and you'll see that it'll have 4 decimal places right here. So 5.0000 zeros. That's pretty cool. How about if I just want a number? N. Makes sense? There you go. It automatically does like 2 decimal places, so you can also specify how many decimal places you want. I don't even know if that's, is that even, I don't know if that's possible. Oh my god, it is possible. That took a bit. I don't know why you do that, but okay. Another thing you can do is you can change it to binary. I don't know when you need to do that, but yeah. So 5 in binary is 101. I don't know when you need to do that, but that's cool, I guess. And then you might be asking me, can you do it to strings? I'll do it right here. Let's see if it works. It didn't do anything. See? So no, it doesn't work with strings. Just numbers. But yeah, that's pretty cool.